How to control the cost of injection molding processing. The injection molding process is a manufacturing process that involves injecting molten material into a mold to create a variety of products, such as plastic parts, toys, and automotive components. It is a cost-effective and efficient way to produce large quantities of products. But it is important to carefully manage the cost of the process to ensure that it is viable for your business. Here are some tips on how to control the cost of injection molding processing. Design for manufacturability. One of the most effective ways to control the cost of injection molding is to design parts that are easy to manufacture. This involves considering the material, shape, and size of the injection molded parts, as well as any additional features or details that may affect the cost of mold production efficiency. Choose the right material. The cost of injection molding can be significantly affected by the type of material used. Different materials have different properties and injection molding costs. So it is important to choose the right material for your product based on its intended use and desired properties. Select the appropriate injection molding machine. Injection molding machines come in a range of sizes and capabilities, and the cost of a machine can vary significantly depending on its size and capabilities. It is important to choose a machine that is appropriate for the size and complexity of your parts, as well as your production volume. Optimize the mold design. The design of the same mold structure can significantly affect the tooling costs of injection molding. A well-designed injection mold can minimize the amount of material used, reduce injection molding cycle times, and improve the quality of the finished product. It is important to work with an experienced mold designer to optimize the design of the injection mold flow analysis for your specific needs. 5. Streamline the production process. Another way to control the cost of injection molding is to streamline the production process. This can involve reducing the number of steps required to produce a part, automating certain tasks, or implementing lean manufacturing techniques to eliminate waste and improve efficiency. Monitor and optimize energy usage. Injection molding requires a significant amount of energy, and the injection mold costs of energy can have a major impact on the overall injection mold's cost of the process. It is important to monitor energy usage and identify opportunities to optimize energy efficiency, such as by using more energy-efficient equipment or implementing energy-saving practices in the production process. Partner with a reliable supplier. Working with a reliable supplier can help to control the injection molding cost of injection molding by ensuring that you have a consistent source of high-quality materials and equipment at a competitive price. It is important to carefully research potential suppliers and choose one that has a proven track record of delivering high-quality products and services. Conclusion: by following these tips, you can effectively control the production costs of rapid injection molding processing and ensure that it is a cost-effective and efficient way to produce the products you need.